This is the real story of Sunita Williams and her one-way ticket to space. On May 2023, Sunita Williams made history as the first ever woman of color to be launched into space. But when you hear her speak about her experience, it's clear that she's not just a trailblazer for diversity in space, but also an incredible astronaut who is changing the world by simply existing where no one has gone before. In this video, we are going to take a look at everything that you need to know about Sunita's incredible life and career, including some surprising facts that you might not have known. So stay tuned until the end to find out more. Who was Sunita Williams? Sunita Williams was born on September 1965 and grew up in a suburb of Boston called Needham. She was always interested in space and science fiction, but it wasn't until she saw the space shuttle launch in 1981 that she knew she wanted to be an astronaut. After graduating from the University of California, San Diego with a degree in mechanical engineering, Williams joined the Navy and trained as a pilot. She then went on to become a test pilot, which is when she caught the attention of NASA and was recruited to the agency's Astronaut office in 1998. Over the next few years, Williams trained for her first space mission, which was to the International Space Station. She spent 6 months on the station, conducting experiments and learning how to live in space. This experience inspired her to continue working with NASA, and she eventually became the commander of the station. Who is with her in space mission? When Sunita Williams embarked on her historic space mission, she was joined by 2 other astronauts, Sergey Prokopyev and Dmitri Petelin. Both Prokopyev and Petelin are veteran cosmonauts having previously flown in space on Soyuz missions. The trio launched aboard a United Launch Alliance Atlas IV rocket from Cape Canaveral, Florida. Upon their return to Earth, the 3 astronauts landed safely in Kazakhstan on September 4th, 2023, marking the successful conclusion of their 5-month mission aboard the ISS. After a 5-month stay in space, Sunita Williams and her crewmates returned home to Earth. However, they didn't come back empty-handed. In addition to bringing back valuable data and samples from their research, they also brought back a piece of the destroyed James Webb Space Telescope. This may seem like an oddity, but it's actually a significant event as it marks the first time that a piece of the James Webb Space Telescope has been recovered. The telescope was intentionally destroyed in June 2023 to make way for the Europa Clipper spacecraft, which is scheduled to launch in October 2024. Recovering the debris from the James Webb Space Telescope is important for several reasons. Firstly, it allows scientists to study the materials used in the construction of the telescope and how they've been affected by the space environment. This information is valuable for future space missions, as it can help engineers design more durable and reliable spacecraft. Additionally, recovering the debris allows for the recovery of any scientific instruments that were on board the telescope. These instruments are incredibly expensive and sophisticated, and so recovering them can save millions of dollars. Finally, recovering the debris is simply a matter of pride and accomplishment. It shows the world that humans are capable of achieving seemingly impossible tasks. And it serves as a reminder of the incredible things that can be accomplished when humans set their minds to it. If Sunita Williams' story inspired you, then like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our upcoming stories.